pipes are old as shit.
That's fine. I'm fine with that, baby. Okay. All right. I'll talk to you later because I'm recording this. Okay, love you. Look like it's going down, right?
Yeah. See the water. Cameras up on top of the roof for the water. See what I'm saying?
Then what you could do is you could
That's what we use over
you kind of go like that. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's over there. But when we got to them spots right there, man, the water was just sitting there. That's what I'm saying? Yeah, we don't paper towel. Yeah, but none of that. The only thing they can use in here is toilet paper. You know what I'm saying?
It's still recording.